Hi everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to redeem Roblox codes step by step. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps out a lot. Now, let's get started. Redeeming Roblox codes is super useful, and there are different types of codes you can redeem. These include gift card codes, promo codes, or even virtual item codes. But don't worry, they can all be redeemed in the same place. First, log into your Roblox account. Make sure you're signed in, just like I am right now. Next, look at the top right corner of your Roblox homepage. You'll see your current Roblox balance. Mine is showing as 0, but that's okay. Click on your balance, and you'll see an option that says Redeem Roblox Codes. Go ahead and click it. Once you're on the redeem page, you'll see a box where you can enter your code. For example, I'm going to type in a popular promo code like Spider Cola. Before redeeming, make sure you've entered the code correctly. Once it's in, click Redeem. And that's it. As you can see, the code was successfully redeemed, and the item is now added to my inventory. You can follow the same steps for any other codes you might have. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Roblox tips. See you in the next one.